Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw coins or tokens on MEXC. Alright, so I'll need you to, of course, launch your MEXC account. Let's call this MEX for the purpose of simplicity. So how do you get a MEX account? It's pretty much simple because this is a beginner's tutorial. I don't want to assume that you know how to get your account or create an account on MEXC, MEXC. Just choose to call it MEXC for now because of this tutorial. So how do you do that? Launch any browser of your choice and head over to the top corner where you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, type MEXC.com and it's going to take you to the official website. Once you get that, follow through with the on-screen prompts and instructions to create an account. And once you're done creating an account, it's going to take you to your fantastic homepage, customized for you, or your dashboard, where you can now start navigating and exploring all of its features to have a great trading experience. So right here in MEXC, you can definitely buy crypto using any of it's a crypto, very large, one of the largest cryptocurrency markets. All right, you can trade crypto, that's sell and buy and keep and convert. Do anything you want to do on MEXC as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Now let's see how we can deposit and withdraw money on MEXC. That's withdraw coins and tokens. Let's use the cryptocurrency balance. So right here in this overview, as you can see, we're in overview. So this is the market and this is buy crypto, debit and credit card. That's another way. And this is spot, this futures and all of this. So here is my USDT balance, which is 000, all of it. And then if you now head over to this top right corner, you're gonna find deposit, withdraw, send, transfer, and more. So we want to deposit and withdraw, of course. So go ahead and click on this deposit button. And now you have all of the processes set up for you. First, select the token and copy the wallet address, and then withdraw to wallet address. That's paste the copied wallet address on another exchange platform and submit a withdrawal application and transfer confirmation. Wait for the blockchain network to confirm the transfer, and then after the blockchain network has confirmed the transfer, MEXC will transfer the asset to your wallet. So how we deposit? So first step, select the token and copy the wallet address. So here is where we're gonna have to select the token. So I'm clicking on that and I'm definitely clicking on USDT. And then the network, match the info. So yeah, Ethereum. So this matches, right? The USDT and the network Ethereum. And here you have click to generate address, which is what we're gonna. So here minimum deposit, fine, expected arrival, sit for network confirmations, and then contract address ending with this. Okay, so select this hyperlink. To ensure the security of your deposit, we have sent the deposit address to your email. So please ensure the depositor matches the address found. So if there's any discrepancy, please do not proceed. And then contact this. So disable this notice. All right, so I'm heading over to my mail to get my address. So now that has been copied, the next step is to withdraw to wallet. So paste the copied wallet address on other exchange platforms and submit a withdrawal application. So I'm heading over to wallets. So this is top right corner, wallet, and I'm going to withdraw. Do not withdraw. So please note that once withdrawal is completed, you will not be able to recover it. So All of this, all of this. So okay. So click on this to check that you have agreed. So the token is USDT. And paste the copied withdrawal address on this page. So head over to address, Control V. All right, network. Remember, it is Ethereum that we used. Withdrawal amount 30. Remember, I have 0 USDT, so I do not even have money. So let's say 50. Oh my God, it doesn't exceed the balance. I do not even have any balance. And then if you have a REMAC or a purposeful withdrawal, for enjoy, for premium satisfaction. And then the next thing that you now have to do is to click on submit. So I'm not able to submit because the withdrawal amounts must not exceed the balance. And guess how much I have in my balance? 0. So this is actually the process. So once you send submit, this is what is going to happen once you click on submit. Wait for the blockchain network to confirm the transfer. All right. And then the next thing is the blockchain network has, once the blockchain, so if it says withdrawal successful, it means the blockchain network has confirmed the transfer. MEXC will transfer the asset to your withdrawal address. And how do you find how do you know, or how will you know that the money has been transferred to your withdrawal address? Here's what you do. Okay, so address registration fees and fat speed with all of this if you like that. So how do you know that that has entered? I'm going all the way back to my, so here we go. So this is my wallet. So you're now gonna, this overview, taking it back to overview. So here's where you're gonna find it. You're gonna find that this, your balance has changed from 0 USDT to the amount that you have withdrawn to it. So that's it. So how do you deposit and how do you withdraw your coin on token? Go through the process, deposit. Once you deposit, generate your address. Once you generate your withdrawal address, go to withdrawal, which of course I showed you how to get that done the easiest way. Once you go to withdrawal, go ahead and paste the withdrawal address and then enter the balance. Ensure that you are not like me where your withdrawal balance exceeds the actual balance, or you're not like me that has 0 USDT in your balance. So ensure that it is less than what is in your account. And then once you click on that and proceed to withdraw, you're going to see that it's going to now reflect in your wallet overview balance, where you're going to find it here, the estimated balance, or you're going to find it in your spot balance. Here, you're going to find it here. So whichever way, just go ahead and just maintain the process. Okay, go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you're good to go. Another easier way is to head over to spot. So this is spot trading. And in spot trading, you can now select any of these coins and then deposit, withdraw, click deposit, withdraw. And you're going to see that the processes will be almost the same thing as we have shown in the previous when you head over to overview. So this is pretty much how you can go about the process. You can go about this video from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.